If you like creating seasonal wreaths, then this is the challenge for you. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am going to be announcing my Seasonal Wreath Challenge for Spring 2020. In this challenge, I ask you to create some sort of wreath. You can take a wreath you already own and revamp it. You can purchase a wreath at a store and add to it, or you can take a blank wreath form, such as this twig wreath form that I have here, and create some decor on the wreath yourself from scratch. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. You could maybe just add a special bow that you like to make. I think I'm going to be using this one because I've had it for some time and haven't done anything with it. But you can pick a wider wreath form, a styrofoam wreath form, any type of wreath that you want, and decorate it for the spring season. So I'm not giving you too much notice this time. I usually try to do 2 weeks, but this time it's only about a week. These videos are going to be posting on March 1st, 2020, anytime after midnight Pacific time. I will have a hashtag in the description box down below that you can put in the description box of your video, and it should add it automatically to the playlist. But you can put Seasonal Wreath Challenge Spring 2020 as your title, and that way it may also pick it up. And if it doesn't, I will search on the hashtag and I will add your video to the playlist if I don't see it on there. I hope you'll all join me in this if you're YouTube creators, and for those of you who are not YouTube creators, I hope you'll come back and see all the wonderful spring wreaths that people create. And if you are a subscriber and would like to participate, if I do get some submissions of photos, I will try to create a subscriber video of photos of spring wreaths that all of you have created. I'm really looking forward to seeing what everyone does. I like to use wreaths in my decorating. It's something I started doing mostly at Christmas time, but I've lately been adding them into my decor all year long, and I really like the way it looks. So, like I said, I hope you'll come back and join me. And if you are new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. That's it, everyone, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.